Hello students, welcome to physics class. In our last lecture, we had started with the topic electric field at an equatorial point of dipole, and I had explained this diagram to you that the electric field due to this dipole at the point P is the vector sum of electric field at the point P because of negative charge and because of positive charge. So here I have shown electric field at this point P because of plus Q and electric field because of minus Q, and the vector sum of these two is the resultant field. Now using Coulomb's law, I had written here the formula for electric field due to plus Q and electric field due to minus Q. And what do we observe? That since the magnitude of charges is same and the distance of the point P from A and B is same, so magnitude of electric field is same due to both charges. So magnitude of E plus Q is equal to magnitude of E minus Q. Now we will take the resultant of these two fields. To find out the resultant, first of all, if we see their direction, E plus Q, direction of E plus Q is away from plus Q, and direction of electric field due to negative Q is towards the negative Q. So when we take their vector sum, we'll consider these directions also. Actually, what we will do, how we'll take the vector sum? When we take the vector sum, what we will do, we'll take the component, or we'll make the component of E plus Q and E minus Q. component बनाने आपको 11th में बताए गए थे, और आपको अगर नहीं पता तो यहाँ ध्यान से देखेंगे. सपोज दिस एंगल इज थीटा, दिस E plus Q is resolved into two component. One is along the left direction and the horizontal direction, and other is along the vertical direction. So E plus Q cos theta and E plus Q sin theta. ऐसे ही आप E माइनस क्यू के कॉम्पोनेंट बनाएंगे, E माइनस क्यू कॉस थीटा एंड E माइनस क्यू साइन थीटा. What do we observe? That the sine component of both these fields is opposite in direction, and the magnitude of both the fields is same. So E plus Q sin theta and E minus Q sin theta both are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, so these will cancel each other. But E of plus Q cos theta and E of minus Q cos theta both act in the same direction, so these components will be added. So net result of electric field is twice of EQ cos theta. See here, I had given in theoretical form also. On resolving the two fields, first along the dipole axis, other is normal to the dipole axis, what we have seen that normal component get cancelled and net electric field is equal to twice of EQ cos theta. And what is its direction? Its direction of net electric field is in the direction from B to A. B to A. The direction of net electric field is B to A. So we'll find out its magnitude. E equatorial. Equatorial means electric field on a point which is lying on equatorial line, or net electric field. Twice we'll put the value of E plus Q here using equation 2. So it will be twice Q by 4 pi epsilon R square plus A square cos theta. Now we'll put the value of cos theta using triangle A P, and you can write down here APD. Using triangle APD, A, P and D. Using triangle APD, we can evaluate the value of cos theta as A upon under root of R square plus A square, and put this value here. And on putting the value of cos theta, if we simplify this expression, then it will be 2AQ upon 4 pi epsilon R square plus A square power 3 by 2. This is our desired result. We can also express this result in terms of P, because we know that 2AQ is dipole moment, which is represented by P. So I have written here P upon 4 pi epsilon R square plus A square power 3 by 2. And this इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंट्स दी स्केलर फॉर्म. अगर हम इसे वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखना चाहते हैं तो ई इक्वेटोरियल आई एम राइटिंग इन वेक्टर फॉर्म इज इक्वल टू पी. यहाँ पर वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है, उसे भी हमने वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखा. रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वांटिटीज विल रिमेन सेम. नेगेटिव साइन विल ऑल्सो अपीयर what does this negative sign indicates? This negative sign indicates that the direction of electric field, net electric field, is anti-parallel to dipole moment. See here in the diagram, the direction of electric field is from B to A, and direction of magnetic moment, direction of dipole moment we know from negative charge to the positive charge, and that is from A to B. Both are anti-parallel, that is why I had put here negative sign. Next one is next topic is torque on a dipole in electric field. Torque on a dipole in rather uniform electric field. What happens if a dipole is placed in uniform electric field? I had drawn electric field, uniform electric field by equispaced lines. So these lines which are equispaced represent uniform electric field, and a dipole having charge q and distance between the two charges is 2a. It is placed in electric field in such a way that angle between p and e is theta. See here, e का ये डायरेक्शन है और p का डायरेक्शन कैसे होता है, फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो डायरेक्शन बिटवीन p एंड e इज थीटा. मैंने यहाँ पर भी रिप्रेजेंट किया है, डायरेक्शन बिटवीन p एंड e इज थीटा. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन if the dipole is placed in electric field? What will happen? We'll see that due to this electric field there will be force on both the charges. See here, on positive charge there will be a force which is represented by plus QE, and the direction of this force is in the direction of field. Similarly, the force on this charge is minus QE, and the direction is represented as opposite to the electric field. Force on plus Q charge plus QE, force on minus Q charge is minus QE. Net force on the dipole अगर हम बात करें तो क्या होगा, ज़ीरो, because both forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. ये जो नेगेटिव साइन यहाँ इंडिकेट करता है, नेगेटिव साइन represents their direction. These forces have different line of action and act as two different points of dipole. So such type of forces which have different line of action, these will form a couple, and these will exert a torque on dipole and tend to rotate the dipole. See here, suppose this is dipole, एक फोर्स इस डायरेक्शन में लग रहा है और एक फोर्स इस डायरेक्शन में, तो इस कपल के कारण क्या होगा, द डाइपोल विल रोटेट ड्यू टू द टॉर्क. सो वी विल से दैट टू फोर्सेज विल produce a torque or will exert a torque on the dipole. Expression for torque is either force into perpendicular distance between forces. Either force, कोई भी force ले सकते हैं, plus QE. दोनों poles के बीच में, दोनों forces के बीच में जो perpendicular distance है वो क्या होगा, we can find out from the triangle ABC. BC is perpendicular distance, और अगर हम इस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल को यूज़ करते हुए निकालें, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 2a sin थीटा. सो आई हैड पुट द वैल्यू हेयर, एंड टाउ इज, अगर इसे p में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो टाउ इज इक्वल टू PE sin थीटा. दिस इज स्केलर फॉर्म. वेक्टर फॉर्म में हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, वेक्टर टाउ इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर P क्रॉस वेक्टर E. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस टॉर्क इज गिवन बाय राइट हैंड थंब रूल, एंड इफ वी अप्लाई दिस थंब रूल we'll rotates the finger of our right hand from P to E, P से E की तरफ अगर हम अपनी राइट हैंड की फिंगर्स को कर्ल करेंगे, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ थंब विल गिव द डायरेक्शन ऑफ टॉर्क. तो थंब कहाँ जा रहा है, इनवर्ड टू द प्लेन. सो विल से दैट डायरेक्शन ऑफ टॉर्क इज इनवर्ड टू द प्लेन ऑफ P and E. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.